What is up, everybody? Welcome back to TBM5K. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below as usual. And then today, as you can see, I got some stuff. My orders just shipped in and they picked them up today, and I could not open them without sharing. I just opened up. I opened one of them because I just needed it immediately. So, but I just got it over here. You'll have a peek of it. So, let's go. It's a big tech unboxing. Doesn't seem big though, but okay. So I got a memory card because my phone was running low on storage, because I shoot all my videos on my phone and they take all my photos on my phone apart from my camera. So I got a 32 GB memory card. It's quite nice. I just love the packaging though. That's the major thing about this. Okay, that's up. So at number 2 we have this. I already know what's in because of the order number over here. So let me just quick unwrap this. Alright. This is actually not mine. I know it's a phone grip, or I think, yeah, it's a phone grip. You can also, at the back over here, there's a demo that shows you can also fold your earphones onto them and do a bunch of stuff. But this, I got it for somebody. That's not mine. This is mine. It's a tech. The earphones. Though I did not expect this package from the website. There was this. They were in a box, but from the shipping, it seems like they got it out of the box and just reduce the transportation fee. I'm okay with that though. These are the Jaybird earphones. They look so nice. I'm pumped. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Now the reason that get me pumped is because, as you guys know, I had an iPhone, and I saw I had the Apple earphones, and they were not impressive at all. They had good bass and stuff like that, but they were not impressive. And a few days ago, they just broke, like you see over here. It broke and it just could not stick back into my ear, so that's how to fix it. But after some time they just pop out, and I hated that, so I had to borrow other earphones, which are the Samsung earphones. These are really nice. I really like them. The only problem is that they are not too loud and they don't have the bass needed. Yeah, so I had to get the